power is flickering and non-flickering. And Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We have no power now. Oh, they're coming on and off, guys. This power sucks. Let's go check outside. Oh my God, one pole's about to snap. Oh my God, trash. Oh my God, that trash bag lifted and threw away. Oh my God. I'm afraid to open the... Oh my. Debris. We just saw debris. That one pole's barely hanging on. Is there a tornado warning here?
I don't know, MJ!
Oh my God! If anybody's outside, duck. Oh my God! Look at all the... Mom, get over here! Look at this!
Steve's watching the news. Steve is? Yeah, who's Steve? Yeah. 126,000 people made without power.
Oh my God! I think that's some of the siding from this building. Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Look at that. That siding is gone.
Are you playing cards? Whose phone is it? I was gonna move this chair over here.
That one pole's barely hanging on.